Hi everyone, just a quick one for the moment. Just to let you know, the Royal Mint today released their latest £2 coin, marking the 350 years of the Royal Observatory in Greenwich. The coin was released back in January, part of the 2025 annual set. But like with many of the £2 coins that the Royal Mint have released in the last few years, you're not likely to see it in your change at any point. So they are going to be brilliant uncirculated or in sets as brilliant uncirculated only. The reverse itself, the design, was done by a chap called Henry Gray. And as you can see, the reverse itself depicts, if you knew these things, several scientific elements that have contributed to quite a few historic discoveries over time by the observatory. And if you notice down through the middle, you've got the Greenwich line itself for the Greenwich Mean Time. At the top, you've got the pole star. And when you look at it closer, there's a lot more in there. But I'll leave that for you guys to play around with. The edge inscription on this one simply reads, "Perfecting the Art of Navigation." And that was actually taken from a royal warrant signed by Charles II back in 1675, I think it was. So, just like I say, just a quick one. If you're interested in getting hold of one, it's either as a standalone or through the annual sets. That's the only way you're going to get it. So if you are interested, the Royal Mint, they've got loads of options available in gold and silver. They're not sponsoring me in any way. I just happen to like their packaging on certain coins. But you've also got other dealers as well. I mean, there's Westminster Collection and Coin Club, and there's a load of more others out there as well. So if you're not even in the UK, have a look at your local dealers, see what they've got. If not, get in touch with the Royal Mint and go from there. Anyway, enough waffle from me. Like I say, just a quick one. New coin just come out. You're not going to see it in your change. So this could be the only chance to get your hands on one. Anyway, till next time, take care. Cheers all.